Okay, I'm getting out of ideas. This is PWM to the motor, and if I just go off the throttle and this is really shaking very hard, and you can see that the PWM ratio jumps. Now it detects that something is wrong, and I have to really slowly increase the throttle, and then it's going again, and I really feel that my motor will break down. The Curtis controller, it's a 1244 48 volt, and this is battery plus to motor minus, so it's really directly. Oh, this is 100% ratio. Going off, and now again. And I've checked the throttle, that's a 5 kOhm potentiometer, also while driving. This is very smooth. The battery voltage is also smooth, of course, with a little decrease when the stuttering appears, stuttering. And so it's really the controller that's making this issue. I already have replacements 1268, but they have a slightly different pin configuration, and so I need to make an adapter and a programmer. And any ideas? Now here we're going to a big street. Let's wait for this car to go by. Any idea what this could be? As I said, the throttle is okay, the battery is okay, and still the controller is telling this motor. Maybe some some loose contacts on the motor I could check. So see, sometimes it works, and sometimes it's really very horrible. And when I'm a long trip, I now have with the extender 19 kilowatts hours, so I have a range of 200 kilometers, but this is stuttering. So I've maybe some capacitor inside the controller broken, and so now it's okay. So I don't really know when it happens, but this is clearly also in the PWM ratio is stuttering. And so yeah, okay. Bye bye.